In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio per slide in Canva. If you want each slide in your presentation to have its own soundtrack or voice clip, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to set it up cleanly and consistently. Start by opening your presentation in Canva so you can see your slides and the timeline at the bottom. On the left sidebar, you'll find two ways to bring in audio. If you want to use tracks from Canva's library, click the Audio tab and browse for a sound or song that fits your slide. If you've already recorded something or have a specific music file, go to Uploads, then Audio, and bring in your own file. Either option works the same once the track is available. Next, drag the audio file directly onto the slide you are working on. You'll see a small audio bar appear in the timeline for that slide. This means the sound is attached to that single page, not the whole presentation. If the clip is longer than you need, hover over the end of the audio bar until you see a double arrow. Then drag the edge to trim it to the exact length you want. This is useful for syncing the audio to the slide duration or cutting out parts you don't need. You can also reposition the start point so the audio begins right when the slide appears. Now, set your levels. Click the audio track. Then select the volume icon in the top toolbar. Lower the volume for background music so it doesn't overpower your visuals, or raise it if the slide needs more presence. Because you are adjusting it on the slide you selected, each page can have its own tailored volume. For smooth transitions, open the three dots menu on the audio track and add fade in or fade out. A short fade in helps avoid abrupt starts, and a gentle fade out keeps the ending clean when you move to the next slide. This simple touch makes your presentation feel polished. Repeat this process for each slide, dragging the appropriate audio into place and making sure you drop it under the corresponding page in the timeline. That way, every slide has its own track, timing, volume, and fades. You can preview at any time to confirm everything lines up and adjust the clip edges or levels as needed. When you are done, your presentation will play with crisp, slide-specific audio all the way through. Thanks for watching.